Now we're going to calculate the distance to the mean. So for that purpose, I copy this, prepare this, the mean, and we want to also calculate the difference from x, the mean. We want to know the difference. How is this person below or above average? So now we know that the mean is 44.6, so we could type in here 44.6, right? But because Excel lets us do this, we just say we use a formula to do that. We say this cell equals this cell, B12. So whatever is in this cell is repeated in this cell. Or we could also say, I'll do it again, calculate, so we can enter the equal sign, equal, calculate the average. We want to use the average of this area here, B6 through B10, enter. So we enter basically the same formula. So you see we can mirror this formula here, or we can enter the formula again. I'm just gonna mirror this formula right now, this value here, and then in Excel you can drag this down, and what happens, actually I would like to copy this, but sometimes if you just drag it down it actually changes it. So I'm gonna fix this cell. If I enter here a $sign and a $sign. So with this $sign you fix column B, with this $sign you fix the row 12. So now when I drag this down it should keep the same value. Alright, great. Now here again we enter the formula to calculate difference, equal. So this cell here equals the x, the value of this person 1, minus the average of the group, and then hit enter, equals 5.4. So this person should be 5.4 hours above average. Seems right, right? 50 minus 5.4 is 44.6. Now here again, what you can do is just drag this down and it will copy the value. And then if you want to check what exactly happened in this formula, you can double click on the cell and it shows you B7 minus D7. So the blue cell minus the green cell. The blue cell B7 minus the green cell D7. Hit enter. Alright. And now to make sure we have to write this one right, we're gonna add it up. We're gonna calculate the sum of these values. And what should the sum be? The sum should be 0, because we should have, because we're subtracting the individual values from the average, should have, because it's average, we would have the same amount of scores above, same distances above and below the average. So again here, equal sign, and now we pick as the formula, we don't pick average, we pick the sum. We get that, and now what area do we want? We want this area here. And again, enter. And yes, the result is 0. So okay, did do a good job on that one. So we'll just gonna enter this here, the sum, and this relates to this cell here. This is how you calculate the distance from the mean.